YouTube channel. I am Coach Laudiaann, and in this this video, I'm going to talk about don't be afraid to take charge. So you need to learn how to take charge over your life. But first of all, I want to welcome everyone that has come back to my channel. You have subscribed to my channel. Thank you. I appreciate you guys being my fans. But I want to speak to those that are new to this channel. Welcome. I'm Coach Laudiaann, and I have this YouTube channel to help you have a successful online business. I help you with your mindset to be successful. Today, I want to talk about taking charge of your life, and I'm so excited to make this this video because a lot of us have a lot of problems of taking charge because we are afraid. We are afraid to take that step, and I encourage you to not to be afraid, but to take courage. All right. So, what do we do? How do we find the biggest problem of our source that we are facing that is negative in our life? Well, in order to overcome that, you just have to take responsibility. You have to make that change. Now, it's all up to your attitude, how you act, how are you giving yourself out 100%? Are you giving out 100%? Are you giving out a whole? Or are you giving out half? 50% is because you're afraid of something. And so I encourage everyone, stay not comfortable. I want you to be uncomfortable. I want you to do that because when you're feeling uncomfortable, it's actually going to help you grow out of being afraid. Take action. Resolve the situation for yourself by taking action. All right, be the problem solver of your problem and then take charge. All right, don't start blaming others. Don't make excuses because when you do that, you will not progress in your life. You're always going to stay in that fixed mindset. Now, we want to grow out of that fixed mindset. So what I want you to do is I want you to focus on growth mindset. Growth mindset is important because it will open opportunities for you. And don't be afraid to take those opportunities. Don't be afraid to learn more about knowledge. Knowledge is very important for you to grow. Take the responsibility and build your self-image, build your confidence in your growth. Okay? So, be creative, make your choices in your decision, think about things that you would change, create your world that you want to create and what you want it to be like. Okay? So, stop making excuses for yourself, resolve your situation, resolve your problem, and take action. Take action, be uncomfortable, and you will overcome. You will not fear anymore once you take charge because you're in action. All right. If you just not do anything, well, you're not going to amount to getting anywhere. All right. So take control of every part of your life. One of the most important characteristics of a leader and the most successful people in every area in of their life is that they know what they want. All right. Remember that very core of your personality is your values. Your values is what make you a person that you are today. So focus on yourself today. Your life is lived from the inside out. Whatever you build inside of you, your values, your core, when you deal with these issues inside of you and you fix that problem, then, everything you fix inside is going to come outward. So it's like a mirror image. So this is why it's so important that you need to focus on yourself, focus on your strengths, build your strengths in you. I do have a video about your inner strengths, how to build your inner strengths in you. Take hold of the keywords. of my other videos and just take action. Build you. All right. I want you to be a better you. Just know your values are connected to your beliefs. Your beliefs, you need to have a positive mental attitude at all times. It is your action that reflects your innermost values and beliefs. So don't be afraid. Take action. I wanted to read out of this book. I have a book about goals by Brian Tracy. And a section here. My book just closed, but let me find it. Let's see. I have to find it. All right. We do make excuses, and we don't want to make excuses. But your worst enemies, I want to talk about your worst enemies. The greatest enemies of success and happiness are negative emotions of all kinds. Negative emotions hold you down, tire you out, and take away all of your joy in life. Negative emotions from the beginning of time have done more harm in individuals and societies than all of the plague of history. And all of the plagues of history. I'm reading this book, guys, so stay encouraged. One of your most important goals, if you want to be truly happy and successful, is to free yourself from negative emotions. Fortunately, you can do this if you learn how. The negative emotions of fear, self-pity, envy, jealousy, feelings of inferiority, also being afraid, all right, ultimately are most caused by 4 factors. Once you identify and remove these factors from you, thinking your negative emotions stop automatically. So it will stop automatically. When your negative emotions stop, the positive emotions of love, peace, joy, enthusiasm flow in replace them. And your whole life changes for the better, sometimes in a matter of minutes or seconds. So your behavior, your choices, your decisions determines your action, of you taking charge of your behavior, of you taking charge of you as a person. All right. You need to realize no one is responsible but only you. All right. Realize that another cause of negative emotions is blaming. You're blaming someone. Do not blame anyone. It's no excuse for it. As you take charge, let me read my notes. You are responsible for you. You have to find the problem, the source, the negative in you. You need to fix it. You need to take action in this area. Another thing is that you need to see yourself as the CEO of your business. If you're running a business, how would you act? How would you behave? Are you going out 100%? Well, I want you to go out 100%. I also want you to resolve your situation. Be the problem solver. Stop blaming anyone or everybody. Instead, take the responsibility of ownership. Take charge and be in charge, right? Stop making excuses. Stop making excuses and make progress. Be creative. Create your world and what you want it to be. Take control of every part of your life. Don't be afraid to take charge. One of the most characteristics, again, is about a leader and successful people is that they know what they want. Remember the core of your personality, of values. Your life inside of you brings out who you are. So, all right, everyone. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I'm Coach Laudiaann, and my word for you today is don't be afraid, but take action and take charge over your life. All right, I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you for my returning subscribers. I'm so grateful for all of you supporting my channel. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget, watch my videos first. You love me. You love my videos. Then subscribe to my channel. All right. I will talk to you guys soon, and I'll talk to you all soon, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye for now.